Good afternoon to everyone. Now see straight lines. A is 2 comma minus 3. A is 2 comma minus 3. B is minus 5 comma 1. C is 7 comma minus 1. D is 0 comma K. D is 0 comma K. Before points such that AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. So here find K value. Find K value. See here A is 2 comma minus 3, B is minus 5 comma 1, C is 7 comma minus 1, D is 0 comma K. Before points such that AB parallel to CD. Find K value. Find K value. See given A is 2 comma minus 3, B is minus 5 comma 1. See now slope of AB. Slope of AB. We know the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is the slope formula. So now y2 means 1 minus half minus 3 upon minus 5 minus 2. That is 1 plus 3 upon minus 7. So it is minus 4 upon 7. A is 2 comma minus 3, B is minus 5 comma 1. Slope of AB 1 minus of minus 3 upon minus 5 minus 2 means 1 plus 3 upon minus 7 minus 4 upon 7. It is slope of AB. Now take CD points. CD. See where C is 7 comma minus 1. D is 0 comma K. So CD slope again K minus of minus 1 upon 0 minus 7. That is K plus 1 upon minus 7. Now see it is CD slope. CD slope. They said AB parallel to CD means see here suppose it is M1 means here it is M2. AB parallel to CD means slopes are equal. Implies M1 equals to M2. What is M1? Minus 4 upon 7 is equals to K plus 1 upon minus 7. So here is 7 7. So it is equal to again minus 1 also plus. So K plus 1 is equals to 4. Implies K is equals to 3. So when 4 points they gave, and they are asking find K value, and means AB slope is equals to CD slope because AB parallel to CD. Now second problem. Show that the lines x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0, 2x plus 4y plus 9 equals to 0 are parallel. Show that these two lines are parallel. Given x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. X plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. So see 2y is equals to minus x plus 5. Y is equals to minus x plus 5 upon 2. That is y is equals to minus 1 by 2x plus 5 by 2. Here it is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. Here m is minus 1 upon 2. This is first equation they give. Now see second equation. 2x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. Means 4y is equals to minus 2x minus 9. Y is equals to minus 2x minus 9 upon 4. That is minus 2x upon 4. Means 1 upon 2x minus 9 upon 4. This is also same comparing with y equals to mx plus c. So here see slope value minus 1 upon 2. Here also slope is having minus 1 upon 2. So both the lines are having slopes. M1 is equals to M1 is equals to M2. Means slopes are equal. If you take M1, it is M2. Both the slopes are equal. So these two lines, given two lines are parallel. Given two lines are parallel.